The first question was what year I started the business construction plumbing. We started in 1978. That was the first year. And then, really, the peak of my career, I would say, is right now. This is pretty neat right now. I'm working together with my son, Chris, and things are going well. And I'm really happy for him because he's taken over the responsibility of this business. I'm just his helper now, so he's taking a lot of the work away from me, but it's still fun.
So working with my dad at a young age, it was not something that we enjoyed very much. It was you were kind of forced to go to work, but what it did teach us, me, was a good work ethic. And as I got older, I learned to enjoy what we did. I enjoyed working with my dad as I got older, and even now, I find it more as spending time with my dad than it is work. So I want to be able to teach that to my two boys, and not necessarily that they have to become plumbers, but I want to be able to teach them the work ethic I was taught, so that they can decide what they want to do.